Hello, my name is Bruno Pereira, and I'll be starting off the walkthrough for the BIM Virtual Assistant 2.0 project. This is our current web application. As you see, we get to this homepage and it tells you a little bit about BIM, what we use it for, and what the features are that we have implemented so far. Before we can get to any of the useful stuff on the website, we have to register. So I'll walk you through that. If we try to use something that's not a valid email address and try to register, it yells at you, tells you that it's not a valid address, so you gotta actually put one in. If we try to put in a password without getting the right password back, or putting in a non-confirmed password, it tells us that they don't match. So if we put in a password that isn't the same, doesn't meet the requirements as well, it's missing here because I put in a capital character, but the requirements are that it has to be at least 6 characters long, the password has one non-alphanumeric character, and that the password has at least 1 digit, but then also that one of the letters has to be capital in the password. So I'll put in a valid password now, and it shouldn't scream at me later. We also have the roles for what you do in your organization and why you're using BIM. So if you're an architect, developer, contractor, facility manager, or other, we try to have it set up so that way when you do your natural language processing queries in the viewer to find things in each model, it would give you back something that might be more relevant to you. Because these people in the construction business have different priorities. So if I hit register, let me just copy paste these. If I hit register, it shows me to the viewer. I can log out and then log back in. So that's all I have to say for the registration and login, and my partner Guillermo will be doing the rest of the presentation.